I built this with just one sentence, and I'll show you exactly how. Using Google Flow. No editing experience needed, no AI skills, only you and your idea. First, head to the Google Flow homepage and sign in with your Google account. Then click New Project to jump straight into your workspace. This is where everything happens. In the side menu here on the left, click on All Media to see all the clips you've created. There's nothing there right now because the project is new, but that will change quickly. Down here is your prompt box, and this toggle is the first big decision you'll make: Agent on or Agent off. With Agent on, you'll work with a creative partner powered by artificial intelligence. For example, I'm going to ask it to create a 10-second video showing a drone flying over the streets of a futuristic city. And here it is. Then you can ask the agent to adjust or modify any detail. Have the drone fly lower, add music, or whatever you want. Agent off is for when you already know exactly what you want. A specific prompt, direct control over every setting, no back and forth. For example, cinematic first-person view of a high-speed drone racing through a neon-lit futuristic city canyon. Motion blur, vibrant colors, electronic music, aesthetic, 8 seconds. And here you can see the final result, with the detailed instructions displayed without enabling agent. Next, pick your engine. Each model has its own specialty. For this drone shot, I used Oni Flash, 8 seconds, the powerhouse, best visuals, complex movement, up to 10 seconds, and the strongest video-to-video editing. But you have 3 other options to choose from. I added the same prompt to all 3, and here's the result. VO 3.1 Lite, the fast and efficient choice. Quickest generations, lower credit cost, perfect for testing ideas. VO 3.1 Fast, the balanced choice. A middle ground between Lite's speed and Quality's fidelity. VO 3.1 Quality, the cinematic choice, realistic textures and lighting up to 8 seconds. Here you can see a comparison of all 4 models side by side. Finally, remember that the templates let you add a starting and ending frame or any other type of reference image that will be incorporated into the video generation, and that you can use this feature by enabling the ingredients option. The model will use these ingredients to generate the new video. Here you can see how this fantastic drone takes center stage in the new sequence. Here's an example with the first and last frames. The drone takes off from the garden and ends up flying over the sea. Remember, frames means you can customize the beginning and end exactly as you like, whereas if you choose the ingredients option, you're controlling the video's style and final look. I want to emphasize the importance of the prompt, of knowing how to provide detailed instructions about what we want to see, how, where, with what kind of lighting, and with what camera movement. Earlier, we saw the example of the drone using this prompt. Now let's try another prompt, this time with a much more peaceful scene. A lone red-sailed fishing boat glides across a misty turquoise lake at dawn. Slow, cinematic drone shot, camera slowly pulling back and rising. Soft, golden sunlight breaks through low fog, reflecting on the water's surface. Gentle ripples trail behind the boat. Ambient sound of oars dipping and distant birdsong. Photorealistic warm color grade, shallow depth of field, 4K quality. Hit generate, and there it is. That single sentence became this. Once you have a clip, you have several options available to customize it to your liking. Adjust the details by talking to the agent. For example, you can ask them to make the sky cloudy and have it start to rain. Suddenly, a storm rolls in. The sun disappears, and it starts to rain on our intrepid sailor. Drag multiple clips into a scene to create a complete story. Just choose between Add to Scene or Create Scene. Extend its duration by simply clicking Extend here. Write a prompt to generate the new, expanded version. For example, have the drone land on top of a building. And when you're done, you can download your video by selecting different resolutions. That's all! If you liked the video, please give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe to see new and interesting content. Thanks for your time!